In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your domain name in Notion. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently change the web address that people use to access your Notion pages. This is especially helpful if you've rebranded, changed your project name, or just want a cleaner, more professional URL. First, open Notion on your computer and make sure you're logged into the correct workspace where your public pages are hosted. At the top of your Notion window, look for your profile or workspace name. This is usually found in the upper left or upper right area, depending on your layout and version. Go ahead and click on your profile or workspace name. This opens a panel where you can access all of your account and workspace options. From there, look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members. Click on Settings. This is where Notion keeps all the controls related to your account, workspace, and how your content is shared publicly. It may feel like a lot of options at first, but we're going to focus on just a couple of key sections. Inside Settings, find and select the section called Public Pages. This is the area that controls how your Notion pages appear on the web outside of Notion itself. If you've ever shared a Notion page as a public link, this is where those settings live. Click on Public Pages to open that panel. Once you're in Public Pages, look for a subsection or tab called Domains. This is where Notion lists the domain or subdomain associated with your public content. Click on Domains. Here, you should see your current domain configuration, such as a Notion-hosted URL or a connected custom domain. Next, look for the three dots icon next to the domain you want to change. This icon usually indicates more options. Click on the three dots to open a small menu with actions related to that specific domain. In that menu, select Update Domain Name. When you click this, Notion will prompt you to enter your new domain or subdomain. Type in the new name you want to use, making sure it's spelled correctly and matches your brand or project. Confirm your changes and give Notion a moment to update. Once it's saved, your public Notion pages will be accessible through the new domain name you just set. That's all you need to update your domain name in Notion.